पेडागोजी के सिलसिले में ये तीसरी वीडियो है। MCQs पार्ट नंबर 3 है और इसका पहला सवाल है द यूज़ ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी टू एनहांस लर्निंग प्रोसेस इज़ कॉल्ड डैश इन एजुकेशन। इट्स आंसर इज़ ऑप्शन बी ICT। Next question. According to Emile, the noblest work in education to make an dash is equal to reasoning man. Next question. Which from the following should be used to decrease minor inappropriate behavior? Its answer is option C, ignorance. Next question. As people grow older, the dash of learning declines. Its answer is option A, speed. Next question. Responses that they produce a discomforting effect become dash to occur again in that situation. Its answer is option C, less likely. Next question. According to John Davis, schools must prepare students for dash question mark. Its answer is option A, present life. Next question. The longer particle ability is unused, the dash it becomes. Its answer is option D, weaker. Next question. The truth of conclusion of an inductive argument is dash question mark. Its answer is option D, probable. And the last question of this video. Children are usually egocentric during dash and dash stages. Its answer is option A. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।